So let's break down what we're doing here in a teeth whitening class. This is how you stay out of trouble, even if you are in a state that doesn't allow you to do teeth whitening, or maybe they have restrictions. Step number one, actually have a mouth guard or something that can retain the teeth whitening gel or cream or solution, whatever you're going to make. You're putting it inside of the mouthpiece. Hand it to them. Let them put it in their own mouth. Let them administer their own teeth whitening mouth guards. That's how you get around it, even if you're in a state that is being a dickhead about not letting you make money. You know, there's so much other shit in the world we got to worry about, but hell, they're worrying about you making money. Or all the dentists don't want you making money. So right now we're letting the gel solidify in the mouth, harden. We are now applying, or we're going to add moxibustion to the face, because the cream or solution or gel in the mouth, the whitening, is now sitting on the teeth. The teeth were dry. I wiped their mouth. I didn't record that part of it, but make sure the mouth is nice and dry because it needs to stick to the teeth. And so this is just moxibustion. And this is going to be a nice, relaxing, sedative treatment. Opens up the pores. It is holistic. When you burn mugwort, you feel like you're in dreamland. It smells like herb. Don't get me wrong. And you know what herb I'm talking about. And it's sedative, though. It's like the sativa type of herb. And moxibustion is great. And so we go across the forehead. Make sure it's not too hot for the client. And the smoke that comes out, like I said, it goes into the pores, goes into the air. It just calms you down. It's sedative. Gets rid of that anxiety, the problems of the world, the stress. Deep breaths in, easy breaths out. We're going to sleep. It's nice and warm. And it gets warmer, but it doesn't get too hot. It gets perfect. It's like, wow, why don't I do this shit all the time? Good grief. You know, you come home from hard days of work, put your man to work. Tell him to get that moxibustion. And, you know, later on that night, you know, get that other stuff, you know, work it out. Put him to work. So now we're just rolling this on the face. And I do apologize for all the little small sex talks sometimes. It's just, hell, life is wonderful. And I don't know, I guess I'm healthy in that area. Thank God. I don't have any ED problems like most men at my age. I'm like, good grief, what the hell's y'all problem? You know, just rub your woman's back, you'll be fine. But anyways, going around the face. Releasing the tension in the face and the jaws. Yep, we're all about that tension release. I tell you, these days, man, I don't know how you're releasing tension. I don't know if you're yelling at somebody or at least releasing it the right way. Food, shop therapy, whatever, or Amazon therapy these days. You got to have some sort of release. And that's what we're doing right now. This is getting rid of all the troubles of the world. We can't catch no planes, trains, whatever. We kind of broke. Income just got through Christmas. Pockets on empty. We need to relax. Look at that. Look, see the smoke? It's taking away all the evil, all the pressure, all the bullshit. That's right. So this part of it is the jade stone, and it gets the direct heat. So the heat, you feel it coming straight on the forehead. It's like, wow, what the hell's going on? How come I didn't have this treatment all my life? I don't know. So that's right. Put those fingers in between her ear. Oh yeah, you let her know that you rub those ear. Look, you see how I put that finger placement in between the earlobe? Oh yeah, that's a contact hold. That's an erogenous zone. And you're gliding at the same time. I tell you, it's time to go to sleep. Or it's time for something else. But that is up to you. And this is what I do for all my clients before I do any type of TMJ work or cleanings. And this part is optional. This is just something I do. Moxibustion class is a totally different class in itself. So let me stop talking and yapping and getting on your damn nerves. But look, we stimulating that blood flow. pressing out all that stress right in the forehead, the glabella area. Well, we gonna work it out later on. So I will be quiet. We will meditate. I wish I had some nice relaxing meditative music, but I don't, because YouTube be bullshitting about music these days. I don't know what the fuck is wrong with them. Like, damn, sometimes I just try to do my damn thing and here comes YouTube. Oh, let me be quiet. Okay, I said I was gonna be quiet. Okay, enjoy the video, but this is what I do before my treatment. Let's go.